Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want a simple way to boost your metabolism, burn fat, and increase your energy, you have probably heard about tea burn. But does it really work? Let's go over the key points in just a few minutes. First, an important warning. Tea burn is only sold on its official website. Many people have been scammed by fake versions on Amazon, eBay, and other sites. To make sure you get the real product, I have added the official link in the description. So what is tea burn? It is a natural, tasteless powder you mix with your daily tea or any drink. It helps your body speed up metabolism, burn stubborn fat, increase energy, improve focus, and support digestion. The best part is that it has no flavor, no aftertaste, and it is completely natural, non-GMO, and safe to use every day. How to use it is very simple. Just add 1 packet of tea burn to your morning tea, stir until dissolved, and drink it as usual. For best results, use it daily, stay hydrated, and combine it with a healthy lifestyle. Most people notice extra energy right away, and weight loss usually becomes visible within 2 to 4 weeks. Here are a few customer results. Amanda lost 10 pounds in her first month. Mark says his energy levels are higher than ever. Jessica used tea burn to finally break through her weight loss plateau. So is tea burn worth it? If you are looking for a safe and natural way to lose weight and boost your energy, tea burn is definitely worth trying. It also comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, so there is no risk. Tea burn is currently available at a special discounted price, but only for a limited time. Check the official link in the description to get yours before it sells out. That's it for today's quick review. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.